Hey guys, it's Bree Halo here, and this is my Darth Maul makeup tutorial. Now, I don't know if you can tell or not, but I was super excited to do this particular makeup. Yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think of this one. Do you like these sorts of videos? Do you want me to do more Star Wars videos in the future? I probably am going to do more Star Wars videos in the future just because it's one of my favorite franchises out there. I didn't film putting on the bald cap sort of thing today because I did that in the last video. Just check out my last video, Supreme Leader Snoke. That'll show you how to do it. But the horns were a little different. Like, this is a trial and error for me, so I was like, I don't want to record my failings. So what I did was I've actually made these horns out of polymorph, and then what I did to attach these is I wrapped it with cling wrap just down at the base of the horns, held it on, and then I used some masking tape to stick it down to the cling wrap. A reference picture from Phantom Menace for the face, and then a reference picture from Star Wars Clone Wars series for the rest. All the products used today will be listed throughout the video. Music used will be listed at the end of the video. Please remember to like this video, give it a Darth Maul thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on other social media that I may or may not have, share with your friends, family, etc. And as always, leave any comments or requests for future makeup tutorials.
I've been gone for a while now, but only to gain my power. I've been fighting my demons, and I'm back upon my feet. The harder you fall down, the stronger you come back later. Man, I feel like an army, and I've only just begun. I've only just begun. I've only just begun. Trying to change me, but what's the point if I'm not me? Yeah, I'm alone when I hit the lights, alone with someone else. And I've only just begun. And I've only just begun. Hey, give me all you got. Bring your grenades and your loaded guns. Hey, try to take me down. I'm coming right back, back, back like a boomerang. No backward glances, the games we played till now are at an end. Past, all thought of if or when, no use resisting, abandon fort and let the dream descend. What raging fire shall flood the soul? What rich desire unlocks its door? What sweet seduction lies before? of no return. The final threshold was